What is up, all of you gorgeous
Spider bird, spider bird. Little Petry is spider bird. Do-do-do, watch out! Petry is spider bird. Little Petry in his new cage, checking it out, trying to escape. Being a spider bird. He likes to climb up and down that ladder and then grab on to the swing. Oops. And climb to the top and be a spider bird. It's his first night in this cage. He's just checking it out, trying to eat it. But, you know, that's not so bad because I won't have to trim his beak. He's doing pretty good, considering he only has 2 toenails. Yeah, that is Spider Bird. Watch out! He is the Spider Bird.